The Schneider CDP7100 is a noteworthy example of early compact disc technology that brought digital audio to a broad consumer market. Produced during a period when CDs were rapidly becoming the preferred music format, the CDP7100 reflects Schneider's ambition to offer accessible yet capable audio components for everyday listeners. While the brand was known primarily for budget-oriented electronics, this model demonstrates a surprising level of refinement, making it a memorable entry in the company's diverse catalog. Visually, the CDP7100 carries the design cues typical of late 1980s and early 1990s audio equipment. Its exterior features a practical and straightforward layout, with clearly arranged buttons and a functional LED display. The front panel provides direct access to essential controls such as play, pause, stop, and track selection, ensuring ease of use even for those unfamiliar with digital players. The disc tray slides smoothly, exhibiting a reliability that stood up well over years of regular operation. Although not extravagant in appearance, the understated design allows the CDP7100 to integrate seamlessly into any home stereo setup. In terms of performance, the CDP7100 aimed to deliver solid sound quality without inflating its price. Equipped with a competent digital-to-analog converter, it produces clean and enjoyable playback suitable for a wide range of music genres. The player handles dynamics respectably, offering good clarity in vocals and instruments while maintaining a balanced tonal character. While it may not reach audiophile-level performance, it delivers a reliable and pleasant listening experience that appeals to casual listeners and vintage audio enthusiasts alike. Functionally, the CDP7100 includes the standard conveniences expected from a CD player of its era. Features such as programmable playback, repeat modes, and quick track access contribute to smooth usability. Its error correction performance, though basic compared to later models, is adequate for handling typical disc imperfections. The inclusion of a responsive remote control, common for home CD players of the time, adds further convenience for everyday operation. Today, the Schneider CDP7100 holds value as a nostalgic and collectible piece of consumer audio history. It represents a time when CD technology was rapidly shaping the music landscape, and manufacturers competed to create dependable, affordable players. For fans of vintage electronics or those seeking an uncomplicated, functional CD player from the classic era, the CDP7100 stands as a humble yet appealing option. Its blend of simplicity, charm, and solid performance ensures that it remains appreciated decades after its introduction. Tell me, what amplifier do you use in the comments below, and please leave me a like. Thank you.